And we have water inside. You see this microwave is very, very dirty. And here, this microwave is 5 years old. And see how dirty and there's an orange thing there inside. It look very dirty. And put this water and bowl and close and open for 5 minutes. Okay, it's done. So remove the hot water. Be careful, it's very, very hot. And remove this one. Okay. So we start clean. Okay. So just clean like this. So look. Okay, how easy to remove this dirty. So sorry, my microwave is very, very old, and I still use this one. I don't have money to get the new one at the moment, so you need to save money for a while to get a new one. So just clean like this. Okay, here you go, done cleaning. So time to return this things here inside. And I hope you enjoy watching for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.